So, no success. I thought that perhaps this place... But the decay is the same. It could still be possible.
Have you traveled here from afar?
Yes. So, you can tell?
I knew it! There are some Western peculiarities about the way you talk.
I see. So you're familiar with it then?
A little. I go there to trade, too.
Barren frontier land? That's not true. This place is plentiful.
True. For the last few years, the weather's been calm and gentle. But some of the town's water veins have dried up, making it really tough to fill all my orders of grain. The soil's becoming less and less fertile every day. That's why I've been running around so much on deliveries.
Sorry to bother you when you're so busy with your own business.
Oh no, it's boring to travel alone, so I'm actually glad to have you. It's quite a ways to the next ruin, so please enjoy the ride. See over there? That ruin past the workshop is the one you're looking for. My destination is actually that workshop. It's a medicine shop that's run by a young girl.
A workshop in a place like this? So it still does exist in this land. Oh, you can drop me off right here.
Huh? But we're still pretty far from the ruin.
That's fine. I prefer to walk there on my own 2 feet.
To walk on your own 2 feet. As expected of a scholar, I guess.
Scholar? Is that what I look like?
Oh, I'm sorry if I was wrong. Since you're investigating the ruins...
You're not far off. But I am an alchemist.
An alchemist?
An isolated workshop on a remote grassy plain. There, a girl lives all alone. Her name is Ayesha. Even today, she continues to make medicine by herself.
This and that, and mix this powder in to give it a nice fragrance, and... Yup, looks good. When the liquid turns a golden color, then... Oops, sorry, Panna. I forgot to give you your breakfast. Here. Sorry for making you wait. Chew your food and eat slowly. It's not healthy to eat so fast. The sun feels so nice and warm. Maybe I should do the laundry. But before that, I'm hungry too. I've been so busy I forgot to eat. This isn't good. I need to take better care of myself. What should I eat? It's too late for breakfast, so maybe I better combine it with lunch. Do I have an egg that I can have with the leftover soup from yesterday? What's wrong, Panna? I'm thinking about what to eat, so quiet down. Oh, I'm still in the middle of a synthesis. It's a good thing I remembered. I need to finish this before lunch. Okay, I'm just gonna combine it with lunch. Oh, it's open! Come in!
Hello, Ayesha. This is...
Oh, hello, Fergie.
It's as smoky and smelly as always, I see. Eating while synthesizing just isn't proper.
Sorry, I was just so hungry. Delicious. The medicine you ordered will be ready in a minute. So, please wait just a little longer.
Thank you. But it looks like something serious is happening inside the cauldron. Are you sure you should be so calm about it?
Oh, I'm not. It may not look like it, but I'm seriously about to freak out. If I don't hurry, it'll be too late.
How did you let it come to this?
Well, while I was synthesizing, Panna reminded me to feed her. And as I was preparing straw for her, I noticed how great the weather has been. Then I started wondering if I should do the laundry or eat something first. And then before I knew it, a lot of smoke was coming out of the cauldron.
Now I understand. We need to hurry up and do something.
You're right. What was I doing before I gave Panna her food? I dropped in all the necessary ingredients. That's right, the medicine was starting to turn gold. Now, to neutralize it for the next step, I need... Oh, where did I put it?
Ayesha, hurry! I don't think it's supposed to smell like this.
It's still okay. This is perfectly normal. I'm just gonna eat one more.
Hey, that's ill-mannered. I mean, no food can taste very good with this odor in the air. Am I right?
Oh, go for it, crew. Just a bit more. One more stir should do it. Swirl, swirl. There. It's done.
There. I finally got all the soot off. You can open your eyes now.
Thank you.
Being covered with soot will spoil your cuteness.
Jeez, you're always saying stuff like that. I start blushing whenever you call me cute. Oh, here's the medicine you ordered.
1, 2, 3. Yep, it's all here. Thank you, Ayesha. Oh, actually, I also have a favor to ask you.
Really? What is it?
Well, after I put in this order, I got an additional order. Can I ask you for one more bottle?
Sure. If it's just one bottle, it won't take that long either. Oh, but I might need more ingredients. Okay, I'm gonna go gather some outside real quick. I wonder if this is enough.
Sorry, I'd like to help you, but I'm not familiar with medicinal herbs or synthesis.
Don't worry, I'm used to this. Now that I have all the necessary ingredients, I'll hurry back and start synthesizing. Now then, please wait until the medicine is ready. I'll start making it right away. Is this okay? It's done! Here you go, Ernie.
I confirm the delivery. Thank you. You really saved me. Your medicine is very popular in town. Orders just keep coming in.
Oh, really? I'm so happy to hear that.
Before I forget, let me give you the money, along with this.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm sure she'll be happy too.
Today is the day, right? I think Neo will like this candy. Well, I've got to get going now. Say hi to Neo for me. Oh, and one more thing. I think the ruin already had a visitor today. He's not from around here. He said something about investigating the ruin.
Oh, visitor? It's rare for someone to come to a remote place like this.
Built by human hands and eventually abandoned, it is now a plant paradise. The plants, despite the course of human history, continued to expand their hold on this place. Of course, now is no different.
Good morning, Neo. Sorry I'm a little late. I came close to messing up the medicine I was synthesizing, so I had to clean up. It looks like I can't do anything without you, Neo. Look, it's so pretty, just like that day. You liked these flowers, didn't you, Neo? Since you disappeared, it's been 3 years as of today. I've been working hard to keep the workshop going. Aren't you proud of me? Oh, right! I brought a souvenir for you today. It's from Ernie. You liked this candy, right? Oh, and Ernie told me to tell you that he says hi. We need to thank him next time. The truth is, I still can't believe it. Neo, you came out to this ruin to gather medicinal herbs, but you never came back. I had everyone in town out looking for you, but all we found was your herb basket. Everyone said that you were spirited away, but I'm still not convinced. I've heard that these ruins sometimes swallow people up whole, but why'd it have to happen to you? Why did I ask you to help me gather medicinal herbs? So, where do you go? Well, Panna, let's go home. I have laundry to do. I'll be back, Neo. Sis? Huh? This isn't a dream, is it? Neo, where have you been this whole time? I've been worried sick about you. Oh, she... Neo? Where are you? Huh? Who are you?
Me?
There's no trace of it left. If it lasted a little longer, I could have analyzed it more. Oh well. I guess it would spoil all the fun if this was too easy. But then again, with a glowing flower and a glowing body, it's easy to make an educated guess.
Excuse me.
What is it? As you can see, I'm very busy, so please don't talk to me.
But that's actually a grave. It's my little sister's. So please, be gentle with it.
Your little sister? Was the girl from moments before?
Yes! So you could see her too?
Yes, parts of it. Your voice travels a vast distance, so I just followed your voice. I didn't mean to intrude. Your sister seems to be in quite a predicament, to be living in such a state. This is the first time I've seen anything like that.
Living? Does that mean that Neo is... safe? Is there any way to help her? Oh, and who are you?
Who knows? I'm not obligated to tell you anything. Besides, I assume that you're the owner of that workshop, am I right? In that case, shouldn't you be able to come up with at least one solution?
How do you know about the workshop? And I don't have any solutions.
That's odd. Then you're not an alchemist?
An alchemist? What's that? Well, I'm an apothecary. I make medicine at my workshop. I'm sorry for asking so many questions all at once. Please tell me more about Neo.
An apothecary. Then perhaps it's very likely. Listen, this is my fundamental philosophy. Truths are not something that can be passed around by others. You yourself must demand and grasp them. If you want to know the truth, then you must study and think on your own. From what I can see, you are capable of that.
I am?
Yes. However, it's not something you can blindly jump into. I shall give you 2 pieces of advice, though I have no obligation to do so. Take it as my apology for intruding. First, as a means to finding your sister, you must study alchemy.
So, what is alchemy? How do I...
And second, this glowing flower, you must understand it. That is all. Your sister is somewhere you can't reach with your hands. With alchemy, there are a number of different ways to bring her back.
This glowing flower? It doesn't look like a medicinal herb. What is it exactly?
Don't ask me. Answer that question on your own. Well, farewell.
Oh, please wait. I have a few more questions.
She herself doesn't seem to be aware of it, but I didn't expect to encounter alchemy in a place like this. However, that girl, in her current state, I'd say she has about 3 years.
Neo, glowing flowers, alchemy? I wonder if I can really trust him. This all happened so suddenly. I know! I should write it all down in a diary and organize everything. But first, I need to compose myself. What should I write first? Okay, I've decided. I'll be out traveling. Please don't worry. Ayesha. I wonder if this note is okay. I'm sure Ernie won't worry after reading this. Now I just need some ointment and my monster repellent scented bag. Yep, I'm ready to go. Neo is somewhere I can't reach with my hands, but she's still alive. I don't know how much of what that spectacled man told me was true, but I should believe it all for now. First things first, maybe I'll go visit the neighboring village. Someone there might know about growing flowers, but what should I do after that? I've never traveled before. Huh? What is it? Yeah, you're right. I'll figure out the later things later. There are so many things I don't understand. But I have to get started. Neo, your big sister definitely will save you. So, just wait for me. Okay, Panna, let's go.